Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI with a review of 4 cutting-edge Canva applications. Whether you're a content creator, a design maven, or just AI curious, stick around to see which tools are game changers and which ones need a bit more time in the lab. Transcribe Audio, the content creator's companion. This bad boy lets you turn those voice notes and podcasts into text. Think subtitles, captions, even translations. It's pretty accurate and saves tons of time, but heads up, it doesn't like all file formats and struggles with music or sound effects. Still, for pure text stuff, it's a solid 4-star tool. Try it out and make your words work for you. Next on the list, Product Studio. This one promises to pimp your product pics with some seriously awesome backgrounds. Unfortunately, it falls a bit flat. The generated images can be buggy and just plain low quality. Cool idea, but needs work, gotta give it a 3.5-star rating on this one. But don't write it off, keep an eye on this space for updates. Moving on to AI Interior Styler. This one aims to take your product photos to the next level by seamlessly dropping them into fancy backgrounds. It sounds good but not quite yet. The results can be wacky, with weird artifacts and unrealistic stuff. Plus, you gotta pay credits and wait forever for it to render. It has potential, but for now, it gets a 2-star review. Last but definitely not least is Equations. This nifty tool is a godsend for educators and students alike, making math visual and vibrant. It's still in beta, and while it won't solve your calculus homework yet, it's a fantastic 4.5-star feature for creating educational content. I would give this a 4.5 rating star because you can do so much with it. You can do both basic and advanced equations. So, the verdict? These Canva AI tools are a mixed bag. Some are awesome time savers, others need some serious TLC. But hey, that's the beauty of AI. It's constantly learning and evolving. As Canva continues to evolve, we look forward to seeing future developments and innovations in the realm of creative tools. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews, and don't forget to check out these AI tools from Canva for yourself. Ready to get started with Canva for free? Here's how. Signing up for Canva is easy, and it's the best way to exploring these tools. Just click on the link in the description and click on Sign Up button, and choose to register with Google, Facebook, or email. Enter your details, and voila, you're in. Dive into the world of creative possibilities with Canva today. Have you tried any of these tools? Let me know in the comments below. Experimenting with AI is half the fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights and reviews. Bye for now and thank you.